love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours.
Hey Luxx babes, so welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, you are spending the day with me at the salon. Yes, make some noise. So before we go to the salon, I do have to stop at Salon Century just to get some inventory, some shampoo, some treatments, and some conditioners. So yeah, I'm bringing you guys along with me inside of Salon Century, and then y'all coming with me to the salon. I do have one client today only. I'm doing some tape-ins with some highlights on my sister. So yes, I'm bringing you guys along, and this is my Luxx Curly for anyone that asks. Yes, I love this texture, but yes, come along.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down.
Hey Luxx babe, so I'm back at the salon. My sister is here and I'm about to go ahead and get her right. We previously did the keratin smoothing treatment. How long ago was that? Like a week and some change. She got it done last Saturday, not the Saturday that just passed, but the Saturday before that. And I'm just about to get her right, and it looks so good. Like, it still looks great. So let's get into it.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Just some me time. You doing what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Just some me time. You doing what you want. Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself.
Off camera, I shampoo and prep these tapes. This is our raw Luxx Curly tape-ins, 100 grams of 16 inches and 100 grams of 18 inches, totaling 200 grams. So right now I'm just reapplying the tape because she have previously wore these tapes before, and you can reuse this hair how many ever times you want. This is why I encourage everyone to purchase a Luxx package, okay? Quality raw hair extensions. So let's get into the install.
I'm in now. Let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby. You don't care. I'm trying to be a nuisance. This is hurting. Trying to make sense of little change. Got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go of a wink.
Luxx Babes, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell where you can get notified of all of our videos. I am making sure I drop a video once a week. Stay tuned.
They just wanna fuck with you. Just they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight.
If you want your hair to look effortless and beautiful like this, I am a silk press and hair extension specialist that offers silk presses, quick weaves, sew-ins, and tape-ins. Make sure that you click the links below, follow my socials, and book you an appointment, Luxx Babes. I hope to see you soon. Look at how beautiful and effortless this looks. So natural, so demure, very mindful, cute. But this is why I encourage you guys to purchase our natural Luxx package. It's giving everything it's supposed to give. The tape-ins package to be exact. Okay, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. And yes, I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you in advance. Bye, Luxx Babes.